In this video, I will quickly show you how to host a website on GitHub in 2026 using GitHub Pages. First, go to GitHub and sign into your account. Then click New Repository to create a new repository. Enter a repository name and click Create Repository. Next, upload your website files to the repository. It is recommended to have an index.html file, which will be the main page of your site. After uploading the files, go to the Settings tab of the repository and find the Pages option. In the Publishing section, select the main branch and the root folder, then click Save. After a few seconds, GitHub will generate a public link for your website. The link usually follows this format: your username.github.io/repository-name. Now, anyone can access your website online for free. And that's it. Now you know how to host a website on GitHub in 2026 easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.